Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. And today, Tuesday, we ended our shift only with 335 and a quarter. I just didn't feel it today. 11 deliveries into the dash. I reached 47,000 lifetime deliveries with DoorDash, and I was going really well, going gangbusters, but it was like anticlimactic. I just didn't feel it. I felt drained. I felt tired. I ended up taking 2 pause naps, and then I just sat waiting for DoorDash to call me. And of course, I know fully well that if I'm not moving, then DoorDash isn't going to feed me any offers. And that's exactly what happened. Then I had a phone call from Cam, 3-wayed it with Sin, and, we chatted it up for, 3 hours. And good conversation. A couple of other top money earners. One out of Virginia and the other out of Memphis, Tennessee. And, we just chatted all night long, talked about DoorDash, talked about life and business and that type of stuff. And, that just kind of passed the time, and it was good to catch up with them. I look forward to those phone calls. And then once we got off the phone, I just kind of kicked it into high gear. Made over the 270 minimum goal. That's, to make 98,000, roughly 100,000, per year. And the goal is always the $20 per hour, which was $360 for an 18-hour shift. And so we came in a little short. It's no big deal. It is what it is. But that day is gone. And we will start fresh tomorrow and kick it into high gear. I started the shift early on Tuesday and I ended it late. So hopefully we should be setting ourselves up for a catering job in the morning, or some large orders around dinner time or lunchtime. So all is well in the kingdom. We're good to go. Hopefully your night went well. And I'm excited to cross over 47,000. By my projections, another 25 days or so, we should be at 48,000, and probably somewhere mid-April, we'll cross over the 50,000 lifetime delivery threshold. So I'm almost home. I just kind of pulled over so that I could do this not in the driveway, so that I didn't wake up anybody else in the household. So with that, I'm going to end this, go home, do a couple of things to catch up, and then get some rest and start fresh tomorrow. Look forward to talking to you then. Ciao for now.